Okay, so if you're training at home with a barbell and you're running out of weights that have this standardized size with this, I guess, circumference of the barbell, then you can also do this other method where if you also have the other standardized plate sizes for smaller barbells, then obviously these are not going to fit for a standard barbell, but you still want to load up the weight, heavier weights for your whatever barbell lifts you're going to perform. Then my brother, shout out to him, he found this method. Actually, funny story, I think he dreamt about it in one dream, and then the next day he woke up and he implemented it. So that's kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, then if you have some kind of rope with some knots at the end, you can just, I guess, tie up these knots. So then you put, I guess you can also tie up the knots afterwards, after you put them through. So yeah, then you put these nuts through this, through the holes of the smaller plates, and then effectively the nuts prevent the rope from slipping out, and you can tie up the knot to be bigger, just to make sure that it doesn't slip out. And then effectively you can then hang these around your barbell, and let me demonstrate that really quickly. Here I have two of these setups, and usually these comes from like those dumbbells. So those dumbbells, they usually have smaller plate sizes, and so then you can use this method if you have a barbell and want to load up the heavier weights. You can just attach this on one side, and then you can take the other one with the same weight and attach it to the other side. And I think that's pretty ingenious. And you can even use this as a method to train. You can even use this as a method to train like instability and challenge the stabilizing muscles. There's those bamboo barbells that has that sole purpose. So that's pretty cool.